Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Avasthi. Welcome back to your own channel Maths in Minutes. In today's video, we are going to learn about volume of solids. The first solid that we are going to talk about is a cuboid. We all know cuboid look like this, right? It is a 3D form of a rectangle. It has length, it has breadth, height also. Now what is volume? Before studying the formula of volume, let us understand what is the volume. Volume means the space occupied by any of the solid figures. That means how much space is occupied by this cuboid is the volume, and it is calculated by length, breadth and height. Formula of a volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now one more thing I would like to make it very clear. Volume and capacity are two different things, right? Volume means the space occupied by any object. What is capacity? Capacity means how much volume of any quantity it can contain. I have a beaker, then it becomes the capacity, right? How much volume it can hold and how much space it is occupying, it becomes the volume, right? Our next solid figure is a cube. We all know that cube is a 3D form of a square of any side. Suppose A. Let this side is also A and this much is also A. Then the volume of any cube becomes A into A into A. If that means A cube. Right, now our third solid is a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder which has the radius r and its height is h. Right, so how much space it is going to occupy? We talk about the area of the circular region plus the height. That means what is the formula? Pi r square. This is the area of the circle to h, right? H is the height. So the formula of a volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, right? Now let us understand few questions based on these. To this question says 3 cubes of metal with the edges 7.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter respectively are melted, and to form a new cube, that means there are 3 small cubes which are melted, one bigger cube is formed, right? So what we have to do, we have to find out the volume of this cube and this cube. We will be adding it together and then we are going to find out the answer of the bigger cube. So let us find out the volume of this cube. That means volume 1 will be 7.5 cube, which will be 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5. When we will multiply, we will get the answer 421.875 centimeter cube, right? Now volume 2, how to find volume 2? It is 6 cube, right? Multiply 6 into 6 into 6, which will give 216 centimeter cube, right? Now volume 3 is the 4.5 centimeter. That means 4.5 into 4.5 into 4.5. The answer will be 91.125 centimeter cube. Now these are 3 volumes of small cubes. These all are added together to form the bigger volume. So volume will be volume 1 plus volume 2 plus volume 3, which is 421.876 plus 216 plus 91.125, which you will add and you will get 729 centimeter cube, right? So 729 centimeter cube becomes the volume of the new cube that is being formed. Now what is the edge of this new cube? Now this is the volume of a cube and formula of volume of a cube is a cube. So in place of volume we will write 729 and a cube. So we have to find out the cube root of 729, which is equals to 9. So the edge of the larger cube becomes 9. In this question, it is said how many full bags of wheat can be emptied into a circular drum, right? One drum is there. How many bags we can empty, we can pour into that drum of height 1.75 meter and the base radius is 4.2. If the space required by each bag is 2.1 meter cube, right? Whenever we are supposed to find out the number of bags, tiles, bricks, the formula is how to find out the number, volume of the bigger thing, right? What is bigger here? Here the bigger volume is of the drum. So volume of drum will be coming here in the numerator upon volume of bag is going to come here, right? So what is the volume of drum? We will substitute the value. Volume of a drum is in the shape of circular. This volume formula will be pi r square h, right? So in place of pi we will write 22/7 into radius is given 4.2 into 4.2. The height is 1.75, right? In the denominator we will be getting the volume of a bag, right? Volume is already given to us, that means 21 meter cube directly. Now when we will solve, we will get 46.2, which is approximately 46. So answer will be 46. So for the basic questions on the volumes. In our next video, we are going to learn about the surface area of these solid figures. So please keep watching the video and like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon beside that to get my latest update. Thank you so much for watching my video.